YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy No Limits, man, and welcome back to another video, right? So yeah, man, this is the trade that I'm finna attend this 500 to 1000, but yeah, man, without saying too much, it is 2:30 right now, so but I mean it is 23 plus 2 right now, so yeah, man, I think it's fine, yeah. So I'm just expecting the momentum for New York session to push this price to the downside, right? So basically this is 30. What's happening is that as you can see, I went to the daily time frame, did my support and resistance, right? So yeah, man, as you can see, what's happening is that every time it's under the zone, reject goes to the downside, reject go to the downside. So rejected and went up. So yeah, man, the same as this zone rejected, push to the upside. Now we are under the zone, expecting to create, to reject as resistance. Now resistance, previous support becomes resistance, and yeah, I'm just gonna wait for a rejection, push to the downside. So that's what happened in the 4-hour time frame. And then yeah, man, I mean on the daily. So coming into the 4-hour, what's happening? This is the rejection went up, 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 touched this EMA, and then it's dropped. So now we're retesting the zone again, rejecting to push to the upside. So yeah, man, we should just get like a good momentum. Boy, no limits. And again, man, just took this entries on 30. As you can see, prices rejecting to push to the upside, right? Created this 1-hour engulfing candlestick. New York session pushed price to the upside, and then right now it's currently rejecting. So yeah, man, I'm just waiting for an overall push to the downside. Hey man, what's going on? Your boy No Limits, and welcome back, bro. A few hours later on. So yes, man, this is what I exactly predicted on US30, right? So yeah, man, I couldn't record throughout the day because I had classes earlier on. But yeah, man, basically we hit TP. I'm gonna show you a video of me like closing the profits right now. Students normally when you give them some theoretical assignment to take home, they just go there, put it on AI, it reproduces the answer. So they can't give it to me. I can prove it that they took it from AI, then I have to mark that script. So now we have tried to come up with a style. Maybe we can have some class test, some random. So yeah, man, what's basically happening is that I did explain everything earlier on the first clip, and we did exactly that, right? Price did end up respecting this and pushing to the downside, right? But didn't happen like from the exact point as I said. So man, as you can see, there's a quick there's this like big wick to the upside, right? So yeah, man, what happened basically, price decided to grab liquidity on top, right about there, take out all the buys were all in like early, and then what happened, went up, rejected right there, creating the left hit, right shoulder, and then yeah, price put to the downside. So that's what happened. Entry point was here from like the 5 minutes time frame, not really sure about that, but they entered around there. So yeah, man, basically after a few hours TP got hit. So yeah, man, basically let me just do this. The way the market moves, right? Market it's either going up or going down. So and it goes with price action or market structure. But I see which price creates this higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher low, higher high, and high low. This is like a bullish market structure, right? This is when price is going up, right? Just can't go straight like this. So yeah, man, it has to go up and then build momentum, go up again, build momentum, go up, build momentum, and go up, right? This is an uptrending structure. And then there's also a downtrending structure, which is exactly the same thing but opposite. So basically what's happening, price is creating lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So yeah, man, basically if the market is creating this bullish structure, we are mainly looking to buy, right? Because that's where the direction is. They say trend is your friend, and that's true. So you have to go with the whole trend in order to catch the direction, right? So yeah, man, this is what's basically happening. So for entry points, as you usually guys see, there's this zone like this where I usually target my entry point, right? This is where I usually buy on an uptrending structure, and then on a downtrend, this is where I usually sell. So you should know that, like, you must always, when it's a downtrend, you must sell high, and then when it's a buy trend, you must buy low, right? You must buy with the you must buy low. Yeah, that's what I mean. So yeah, man, ideally if it's going up, this is the zones where you should be looking to buy, right? Zones like this, where last time when price was here, rejected resistance, went down, so now we are above it, we should support that same zone and push to the upside, right? Same thing here, price broke this resistance. What happened? It created a new higher high, had to come down, create a higher low, rejecting the previous resistance, the previous support here, which was resistance before. And what happened? Price went to the upside. So these are the zones where you should be looking to buy each and every time. And then when you sell, it should be the opposite, right? You should be looking to sell high on zones like this, because you can't sell here. If you sell here, what's going to happen? The price will go against you, take you out. Maybe if your stop loss is right about there, take you out and then drop. So yeah, man, you should be looking to sell high when price is rejecting the previous support and creating resistance to it. So yeah, man, that's all I have for this video.